Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are tackling nutrition, health, and fitness. We have a really consistent or routine week this week. We've got a checklist, this video, the PowerPoint, our quiz, a lab that's simply a survey where you assess your dietary or nutritional habits, and then the physical activity monitoring report. Guys, we're trucking right along. As you can see, we're getting closer and closer to the end of the semester. So please make sure you're mindful of your attendance. Remember, attendance in online classes is measured by your completion of assignments for that week. So if you've missed a week, you want to go ahead and complete the assignments for the week that's due, so you won't get another absence, and then go back and make up the assignments that you were late on, so to speak. Additionally, please check your grades. Most of us are doing very well. In fact, the class average is nearly a 90. However, there's several of us that are not performing as well. And guys, I'm pretty flexible. I give you the opportunity to go back and make up the work, so please do so. But you must notify me when you complete assignments, because once the zero's in, the grade doesn't automatically change. I had to change it. Okay? Guys, have a great week, and I'm always here for you. Take care.